So in this lecture, we are going to pick the name for our business. No matter if you go as a sole trader or if you decide that you are going to register a limited company, whatever scenario which is going to apply to you, we need to pick the name for our business. The name doesn't have to represent what you are going to sell at the end of the day. It can be anything that you like. It can be your name as well. It doesn't really matter. How many times you buy something from Amazon or you buy something from eBay or TikTok shop, and then specifically you go in a seller profile and look what name they have for their company or what name they have for their business. It doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, the customer think about they are buying something from Amazon or they are buying something from eBay. But having a name that you like obviously is something which is personal to you at the end. I'm going to show you where you can take these inspiration from as well. For example, you can go inside the chat GPT and you can say, I want to sell on eBay and suggest me 50 names for my business. So it's gonna give you a recommendation. You don't have to have a paid plan. You can do this on a free plan as well. This is just to take some information, some inspiration. So deciding a name will get easier for you, right? Obviously, ChatGPT have broken down into many different categories as well, but it doesn't really matter. You can pick any general name as well. So for example, I wanna pick the name UK Stockmate, right? So what I'm going to do, even if you are going to register a limited company or you are not going to register a limited company, you need to make sure if you decide to register a limited company down the line, at least that name will be available. Obviously, you will get unlucky that you will register as a sole trader, and then what's gonna happen? Somebody will take that name. Then obviously you're gonna have to pick a different name, but at least you are, future proofing yourself. You want to run your business as a sole trader for 6 months and then you want to decide a limited company. At least you have picked the name which is available on a company house. So we can copy that one, the name that we like, and then we can check the availability for it. The link where you can check the availability is going to be inside the course notes as well. So this is where you will be able to check that. You can check that one and then say no exact company name matches UK stock mate. So obviously if there is no existing business with this name, you can go ahead and you can have this name for you. But if you are registering a limited company, obviously you have secured that name already. But if you register as a sole trader, that's the risk you have to take. But you can always change the name of your business inside your eBay account, Amazon account, TikTok account. It doesn't really matter. If you plan to sell as a sole trader and down the line you think, okay, now I'm going to register a limited company, you will have to pick a different name. If that name is not going to be available, you will be able to change that name with your eBay account, Amazon account, and then get the company registration done. No need to worry about. The thing is, once you have picked the name, always check if that name is available or not.